Hello, welcome to this video. This is Flaming Profits. I recently had a $10,000 investment in Facebook and sold it all for about $150 in profit. I would recommend for anyone who's interested in this investment to look into my older videos. There I go more in depth into this Facebook investment. But today I will be talking about a dividend investing strategy that is very safe and reliable. So basically, there's a group of stocks called Dividend Aristocrats. I don't know if you guys have heard of that before, but these are a list of stocks that have been paying and increasing their dividend yield consistently for 25 and more years. This is great news for dividend investors because if you simply invest in all of the Dividend Aristocrats, then you are guaranteed a safe, reliable, and consistently growing dividend payment for each of these stocks quarterly, so 4 times per year, as long as you continue to own the stock. And right here I'm showing you my Robinhood portfolio. All of these stocks are in the Dividend Aristocrats, but there's also a group of stocks called Dividend Kings. These are superior to Dividend Aristocrats because a Dividend King is a stock that has been consistently paying and increasing their dividend yield for more than 50 years. If you use Yahoo Finance to look at any stocks, it actually shows you the max chart. Robinhood doesn't have this feature. The max it can show you is 5 years. But if you use Yahoo Finance, you can look at any stock that's in the Dividend Kings and you'll see why these are great stocks. You'll pretty much see outstanding growth from the beginning for all Dividend Kings and Aristocrats. This is a good example of why Dividend Kings and Aristocrats are really reliable. If a company is able to consistently pay and increase their dividend payment for at least 50 years, you can assume that the business is strong and can withstand tough economic circumstances. If I were you, I would make it a priority to invest into Dividend Kings before investing in Dividend Aristocrats. I actually own all stocks in both the Dividend Kings and Dividend Aristocrats on my Robinhood account, and I am planning to buy more shares in those over time with the help of the dividend payments they generate. The great thing about dividend investing is that you are generating income from stocks that you can directly use to purchase more shares in those dividend stocks, which will generate you more income. Right here I'm showing you the article that shows all the Dividend Aristocrats, and as you can see, Dividend Aristocrats have been paying consistently for more than 25 years and increasing the dividend payment. Here's a list of all of them, and I own all of these stocks right here. And next I'll show you the Dividend Kings. So basically, if you keep on repeating the cycle of investing the same money that they pay you in dividends for maybe more than 30 years, you'll be surprised by the results. It's all just about being disciplined and being focused on consistently buying assets that will generate you income, and in turn you buy more of those income producing assets. Another great thing about dividend investing is that you can also make money by the price of share of the stocks going up in value. So your portfolio value would also go up in value over time, along with you cashing in dividend payments. Normally with a non-dividend paying stock, this is the only way you can make money, by hoping the value of the price going up. Robinhood actually has an interesting feature which will let you create automatic monthly deposits from your checking account. If you continually do this and purchase good, reliable dividend stocks over time, you might be even able to supplement part of your income with these dividend payments. This can add up enough to pay your electric bill, cell phone service, insurance, and there's many more things. The main question is, wouldn't it be great to have enough reoccurring dividend payments to cover reoccurring expenses? And yeah, so as always, let me know what you guys think about this investing strategy. My long-term goal is to reach $1,000 in monthly dividend payments. For my short-term goal, I should be able to reach $100 in monthly dividend payments. Now that I have acquired every single stock in the Dividend, Aristocrats, and Kings list, I will begin to add monthly paying dividend stocks to guarantee consistent dividend payments every single month. Every company has a different date that they send out dividend payments. I would say I probably am receiving a dividend payment every month with all these different stocks that I have, but by owning monthly paying dividend stocks like ticker symbol O, Realty Income, then that would assure me that I will actually be receiving 12 dividend payments per year. I also wanted to provide this quick example of a specific dividend paying stock. So this is McDonald's. One share of McDonald's is $178 per share, and the dividend payment quarterly is $1.16. So if you do the math, and if you have $10,000, you would be able to buy approximately 56 shares. If you own 56 shares of McDonald's stock, that would mean that quarterly you would get paid $64.96 every quarter. And in a year, you would be making $259.84 every single year by you owning those 56 shares of McDonald's stock. So now, if you have $100,000 and then you spend that on McDonald's stock, you would be able to afford 561 shares. If you get paid $1.60 per share in a quarter, you would get paid $651. That would be equivalent to $2,000 and $2,606 per year. And I don't know if you guys missed it, but here I also show the specific dollar amount of how much I am receiving per share for some stocks that I have already have pending deposits for the dividends. So as you can see, like for example, Brown-Forman is paying me 17 cents per share. You can see all those, how much the dollar amount is for one share. And I did McDonald's because that's usually the largest amount, $1.16. But yeah, you guys can do the math. It seems like a little bit, but if you own more and more shares and you consistently reinvest, it can add up to a lot. Yeah, I just wanted to add this part. Thank you.